In this lesson, you will learn how to access, complete, and upload documents requested by your agency. There may come a point where your agency requests that you supply follow-up or ongoing documents separate from the tasks in your task list. Examples include records from your doctor or monthly expense sheets. To complete this type of agency request, begin by logging into your account. Once logged in, click My Documents in the left-hand menu. A list of documents associated with your account is displayed. This includes documents you previously uploaded, as well as documents your agency has uploaded for you to complete. In the event that you need to complete a document uploaded by your agency, you can download the document by clicking on the document title. Once you've completed the requested information, the next step is to upload the completed file back into the system. To upload a document, click Upload Document. Provide a title for your document, such as Doctor Visit March, and then click Choose Document. Navigate through the folders on your computer until you locate the file you wish to upload. Click on the file and then click Open. The name of your file is displayed for confirmation. When ready, click Save Document to complete the upload. You are returned to My Documents, and the document you uploaded is added to the list, providing indication that you are the one who uploaded the document. Repeat this process to upload any additional documents requested by your agency.